appreciate them until, I don't know, until they're beating up dozens of animals on the Brooklyn Bridge. I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you ever want to...
Okay. Great, you're in love. Great, you're in love. How grills for everyone. Now move it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Move it. Goodbye. 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 Anyone know where we are?
Bye, Lex.
I get you. Okay, I get you. Okay, get you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. See you guys.
Man, I feel sorry for them. Gotta run home to their owners. Not us. Now, it's back to our primary mission. The downfall of the human race. And it's all humans. It's all.
Mommy, can I have a bunny? Can I have a bunny?
Hound, pig, and a gecko and a tiger.
Jab. Body blow. Breakaway move. What's going on? What's she doing?
Love you forever and ever and ever.
I get a little hazy, oh, it doesn't even faze me, no, when I get a little crazy, then it feels so